Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to measure the transistor that have connected more than two pins. Or sometimes they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 10 until the 40 of the transistor that have been connected from 1 to 1, 1 to 1. They connected like this because they want to increase the highest powers or highest signals, especially in amplifiers or transformers. It's generally used in transformers and amplifier. And this one is transformers that they have already connected with 3, and sometimes they have this place also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and until it get 40. Sometimes I have seen before it is a 40 transistor that have been connected combinations. And here is also the transistor 2. Although they have been connected a lot of transistors, but the pin is still the same. For example, this one is a B, and here is the B also. Here is the B also, and this one is B also. So although they have connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and until 40, they still using the same pin to connect. Now you can check it out here. Here is the B's pin, this place. Here is the B is here, and this one is also the B, and this one is also the B's pin also. And otherwise they have the same C. Here is the C's pin. This one is C pin, and here is the C pin. And this transistor is also the B. The B pin is connected from this one, this inside hole here. The inside hole is connected. So in totally there are nothing change or nothing strength, because they connect B to B, C to C, E to E. So although they have a lot of transistors, for example 100 transistors, it's still using the same method, that B to B, C to C, and E to A. So the measure method is nothing changed. It still can measure with the same one. You can measure with the same one because there is nothing changed. You know, there is no change between B to B, C to C. For example, like this, when you measure it, here is the B, C, E. So when you measure between this one and this 3, it is the same way to measure it. Now you're gonna see here the middle. This transistor have only 2 pins, but the middle pin is connected with the steel here. Here's the middle pin is connected. This one and this one are already connected, and also the C here and also the C pin is connected to the steel also. Here is the C pin. C pin is also connected to this one also, to this steel. This one. The C pin is already connected to this one. So it is not a ground, but it is the VCC. The steel is a VCC. It call it VCCs, or we call it power, because the E pin, the C pin is connect with this one, and here is this way, this cover here is already connected to the steel, this one too. And now we're gonna see the E pin. So E pin is the same with this pin, the last one here, connected from the transistor here, and the pin of this transistor is connected to the E, okay, to the E pin. So it is connected the same between E and the E. So E and E is connected the same, just go along this way here, and also this one too, E to E. Now I think you understand it. And the last below part is the C pin. C pin is connected with this steel, and here is the E pin also. Here is the E pin. It is all part of his body is a E pin, so it's connected to the steel. So to measure it, it is nothing changed between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, because it is the same way for the measuring it. Now I'm gonna check it that the first you plug the pin like this to the B, and then you plug the pin like this to B, and then just go down one by one. Now we're gonna connect it to the E pin. It is work. When you see it is work, and now you to the last one, the steel, you can connect it to the steel also. The steel like this. Here's. Okay, now I'm gonna explain. Okay, now we're connected to the steel, because the steel is the same connected, so it works. But the steel it works here, and here is here. Okay, it works because this pin and the steel is the same connected. If you see this one is work, it means fine. But when you reverse, you reverse this black matter to the B. When you reverse it, you use the black matter to the B. So what is wrong with that? Now I'm gonna connect it that, and now I'm gonna go to this one, the E pin. E pin is here. E pin is work, and the steel is work. So it means when you see like this, it means you are short now. So you need to remove it to change all of this thing. And now I have one more example for you. I have one more. This one here. This one. Okay, this one. Now, because they have two parts of this transistor, it is the same way of measuring. Now, I will load some spin here. Okay, now you connect it to the B. Here is the B. Here is the B. The first you need to put the black pin to the B, and you start to measure it one by one from E to C. Okay, now it running, and now connect with the middle. It working, it running, but when you change the red to the B, when you change red to the B like this, and you starting to connect, it works, it running too, the meter is running too, and this one is running too. So they are short now. So you need to remove or replace it, all of this thing. By the way, you have the transistor here also. It is a mixture the same between 1 and more than 2, more than 1. Okay, so I hope this video is help you to find short or to find anything that is broken inside your transformers, that no need to unplug or no need to remove by measuring with all this with all at the same time. So I think so all of this tool is short now. It is sorting now. When it's sorting, it means it all is broken. It broken all. So you need to replace it, to remove it, and buy a new one to put it back. So I think this video is all now. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.